Welcome back, Rico Moneybags. Today we're going to be talking about Zypto Pay. Of course, there's a big epic launch that's about to happen, and I want to make sure that everybody's tapped in with this one. If you're a Zyptonian, if you're tapped in with me, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let's get this video to over 100 likes. Make the YouTube algorithm push these videos out to new potential investors on all the great things that Zypto Pay is bringing to the table. I'm very bullish on this project. You guys know that I've been bullish on this one since day one. It's been years already, and we're doing this together. So Zyptonians, tap in with me. Let's go ahead and push this as hard as we can. We're going to do a recap because I've been getting a lot of subscribers from different blockchains, different tokens and whatnot like that. And I want everybody to understand what Zypto is all about. So Zypto Network. We're going to be checking this out right now. If you guys want to, make sure also come over to their X page at Zypto_token. Make sure you guys give them a follow. Make sure you guys stay tapped in. Make sure the bell notification is lit. And like I said, the countdown is 17 days away before Zypto launches on Ethereum. And that lets me know that we're going to have a lot more exposure to side of a blockchain that we have not had yet in the past. You know, we've been on the BSC side of things, and maybe we snatched up everybody that we could over there, and now we're going to be doing things really big on Ethereum. I'm very bullish on this project. You guys know that it's been years and long time coming. I'm currently testing the beta of their app, and I mean, it is absolutely phenomenal. This is something that it's going to help build a bridge for people to transition from being the normies into the DeFi space. And those who build those bridges are really going to reap the benefits of the mass crypto adoption that still has not happened. We're still in the early stages. So we got Zypto App. Together, we are building the world's largest blockchain payment network. Join the Zypto community today. We are crypto. Leave some hashtags down below. We are crypto. I am super bullish on this project. Very excited. We're only 17 days away. And, you know, the markets, yes, they pulled back. They're fluctuating. They're shaking people out and about. But really, we're still doing really well compared to where we were at before, especially when we're taking into accounts of the Bitcoin ETF going live. And of course, we know which one would follow next. That would be an Ethereum ETF, and us being associated with Ethereum could be very bullish for us, considering the fact that most likely Ethereum would be the one to get an ETF before BNB. All right, so keep that in mind. We are crypto. Our tagline refers to all people everywhere. Blockchain and cryptocurrency are a once in a lifetime opportunity to create a better, more efficient, and truly global economy. This is what I love about Zypto. It's not exclusive to people. This is about building a bridge for crypto adoption. This is how you do it. You make it inclusive for everybody. Together, we can build a new community driven way to pay. Are you ready to change the world? I am most definitely ready. You know, I've been doing videos on this for over 2 years. We're creeping on 3 years. This is something I'm super bullish on, and an advocate to help be one of the reasons that crypto adoption has actually happened. And I want to leave my mark on the blockchain, and Zypto is doing that right now currently for everybody. So we have this. Let's go ahead and continue. What is Zypto Network? Zypto Network refers to our whole ecosystem, including the Zypto app, payment gateway, token, and blockchain, but also the company and the community. This is what's new to Zypto that, you know, the team has been hinting to. And I want you guys to watch the other video that I did. If you're new to the channel, subscribers have been flying up. I want to say, you know, welcome to all the new subscribers. This is one of my money bag alerts, but something that I've been holding for a very long time, and nothing will shake me out of Zypto. Now, something that's new, and we know that this is a team that they say what they mean and they mean what they say. When they say they're going to fulfill something, they have fulfilled every time. And this is a new keyword that we've seen that is brand new from this team, and that is blockchain. So keep that in mind, that all prices and everything like that, blockchain has not been priced in yet. So that is something very bullish, and a development that the team is letting us know that is going to create some buying pressure in the near future. So Zypto Network aims to revolutionize the way individuals and businesses transact with each other globally. Join our community on Telegram today to keep up with all the most recent news. Also, make sure you guys tap into the Moneybags Mansion, where I'll be hosting AMAs. That link is down below, and I'll have all the official links for the Zypto website, Telegram, and X page in that description as well. So make sure you guys tap in. Welcome innovators. The easiest way to accept crypto payments. Stay ahead of the competition with Zypto Pay. Get started. So, you know, for the merchants and stuff like that, be able to accept these things. And that's why I love Zypto, because it's going on both sides of this payment gateway. It's not just providing a way for you to spend your crypto, but it's also providing a way for people to spend their crypto inside your store. If you got Shopify, if you're a WooCommerce, e-commerce, that to me is super bullish because, again, bringing in this inclusivity, everybody's welcome to use this ecosystem and help us get everybody to push on crypto adoption together. So the Zypto app, which I'm testing right now on my phone, very bullish on this, where you can add your digital cards and see your crypto holdings inside, all in that one wallet. Super bullish. Crypto for everyone, the killer app that will take crypto to the mainstream. Everything you need, all in one, easy to use application. I'm letting you guys know right now, I'm testing the beta version on this, and this is an all-in-one, everything you need to use in this app right here. This is super bullish for our space. And you guys, this video should get over 100 likes. We should share this as hard as we can, because the team has put a lot of effort into this, and we're going to get to reap the benefits of being associated with this long term, because this is a long-term project. I mean, every milestone has been so monumental for us as a community, and where we came from to where we're at now. This is huge for us. So what is the Zypto token? For those who are new to the channel, Zypto holders enjoy exclusive benefits and rewards from the Zypto app and Zypto Pay. By joining the community of Zypto holders, you will be an important part of the movement to take crypto payments to the mainstream. Like I said, we go a deep dive on the other video where I do just a white paper. So if you want the deep dive, check that out if you're new to the channel. But we're going to go over these right now, and then we'll go over the X page a little bit. You guys help me get this video, make this thing go viral. We got rewards. Zypto holders can claim rewards generated by the Zypto Network, right? Network, that's blockchain network. We're using that lingo again. Claim your zips, Zypto points, in the rewards hub of the Zypto app. You can swap your zips for crypto, prepaid card balances, gift cards, air miles, and much, much more. Your everyday use. That's what crypto needs to be. It's in the name, cryptocurrency. We use crypto so much, but we forget to mention that it is to be used as a currency to move things around, right? That's what current does. It moves from one. And for the perks of all the Zypto holders, you don't just get rewards, you also get exclusive perks. Visit the rewards hub to find out the preferentials, offers, cashbacks, and offers that are available. The best offers will always be for Zypto holders. So keep that in mind. For the holders, those are going to be the best exclusive offers that you will be receiving. But no matter what, anybody can use this. And that's what I love about it. How to buy. We'll do some how to buy videos once it launches on the ERC20 blockchain. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Tokenomics are as follow. Buying or selling a Zypto on a decentralized exchange incurs a tokenomics tax of 4%. So 2% LP and 2% to the token fund. So keep that in mind. The LP tax makes the token price more stable over time. Token fund is used for token specific marketing and other activities such as listings and on centralized exchanges. Such as listing on centralized exchanges. Please read the Zypto white paper, which we covered. This is the roadmap right here. So details of the roadmap, we checked that out in the white paper. So you guys are going to have to do a deep dive in that video. I did it into the white paper. There's a lot of stuff to digest in there, but a lot of stuff for not even somebody as just as an investor, but also somebody who's a merchant who wants to make money like this and accept crypto at their store. So make sure you guys all give Zypto a big follow. Let them know that I sent you guys over there, all the new subscribers. Make sure you guys give them a follow at Zypto_token. Do not miss out on this one. We are 17 days away. This one will hurt if you miss this one. Do not miss this one. Mark it on your calendar. Do what you got to do. But this is one for the book. So continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.